Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Claude AI using the easy method. This is a great way to open your fresh writing workspace on your current setup session so you can talk to the smart assistant helper safely on your computer screen. Step 1. Open your standard internet browser and visit the official website. The first step is to open your regular internet surfing program on your desktop screen and type in the exact web address for the assistant tool. Move your mouse pointer down to your desktop, double-click on your usual internet icon like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, click inside the long white address bar at the very top of your screen workspace, type the letters claude.ai, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Watch for the main clean welcome web page to load up flat against your background view, displaying a large welcome box right in the middle of your monitor screen. Because you cannot download this tool as a heavy computer program file or look for it inside your standard offline app shelves, you must visit this specific internet address room so the company servers can build your personal connection line. Without this step, you cannot reach the entry gateway or view the typing fields. Step 2. Enter your personal mail address inside the empty welcome box. Next, you need to provide your personal mail address so the system engine has a reliable way to verify who you are and protect your account over the internet network. Move your cursor to the center of your screen canvas rows, click inside the empty white box labeled Enter Your Email, type out your full personal email address using your keyboard keys, and click the large button that says Continue. Review the text letters you typed to ensure there are zero spelling mistakes before the screen slides forward onto your layout map. Because the application needs a unique tracking stamp to save your personal typing history inside its memory cards, if you do not give it a real mail address, the system cannot verify your safety pass or link your future chat records to your device. Entering your email creates a straight, secure lock on your private chat room. Step 3. Copy and paste your secret sign-in code from your mailbox. Now, you need to open a separate screen, log into your personal mail account, click on the brand new message from Anthropic, highlight the long string of numbers inside the message text, copy it, flip back to the assistant webpage, paste the numbers into the active code box, and click Continue. Watch the screen refresh completely as the system accepts your temporary numbers and unlocks your initial setup forms. Because it proves you are a real human being owning that email address, it blocks automated spam tools from creating millions of fake accounts that choke the main internet pathways. Grabbing this code forms an official safety handshake between your mailbox and the assistant website, giving you instant access to the profile creation sheet. And that's it. To sign up for Claude AI, you must first open your internet browser and go to the claude.ai website on your screen. Then you move your mouse to the center box to type in your email address and click Continue on your screen canvas rows. Next, you look inside your personal mailbox to copy the secret security numbers and paste them into the verification box to prove you are real. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.